Hello. Welcome to another video. Firstly, I would highly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Today we will be reviewing the cordless Ratchet. The brand name is JAVN. Here's the box. I'm not sure why these boxes are getting abused when they come into South Africa. I honestly think they play wrestling with these boxes when they come in. You can see it's quite damaged here, and this is what they do to our packages. So in the box you'll find instruction manuals. Do please read through the instructions. Don't be like me. Normally I would just page around just to check if there's anything interesting, but overall I don't really read instructions when I buy a new product. But yes, I think it's important to read the instructions before you use the tool. It also comes with a nice bag to keep it safe. But I'm probably gonna use this bag for other tools because it doesn't look that secure. I'm just afraid the tool might fall out. Yes, looks like a nice bag. It also comes with a charging cable. It's a USB cable. And this is the cordless Ratchet. It's bigger and heavier than I expected. We always expect cheap good tools to be light and flimsy, but I must say this one looks very sturdy and capable, and it feels heavy in your hand. It also comes with a set of sockets, size 10, 12 and 17. Just struggling a bit to take them out of this foam container. I don't think I'm going to use the sockets since I already have a set, but yeah, it's nice to have. So this is all the contents that you get in the box. The cordless Ratchet has a 2000 milliamp battery. It's quite difficult to take out if you don't know where to press. In order for the ratchet to work, you will need a 3/8 to 1/2 inch converter. You'll see the normal sockets won't fit, so you'll need to buy a converter. I bought the whole kit on Takealot for future use. I just need the one converter, but it's easy to have the full kit for future use. So after using the Ratchet for a few weeks, I can no more work without it. It really makes things a bit faster when loosening bolts. The only downside is that the torque is not that great, but I would still recommend the Ratchet. For the price, it's really a good deal and it makes your work easy. So I think any mechanic should get one of these ones. We've come to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.